La devise.
Flotte mais ne coule pas.
Boat.
Okay. The symbol of Paris.
There is greatness.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Yes. Oh, I have a nice tea, honey, everything, and also from Paris. Thank you. This is a secret one. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And yes, we have. I think this is, Tarbiya Citadel. You've been there. You know this. Yes. Thank you very much, and we appreciate all your support and solidarity. Really, you visited our country. And you've been there, I think, twice. No? Twice. And of course, you visit always, some sign of support and solidarity for what we are doing against ISIS terrorists to defeat our country. Thank you very much. Really, we appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you.
And you know that I love your country.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
And
Thank you. Thank you.